How you doing? This is the Coach Wilson. Just bring you a brief note. I'm sitting here outside of the Temple VA, and just had a thought that came to my mind. I was thinking about you. You can follow me on Twitter, the Coach Wilson. You can follow me on Instagram, the Coach Wilson. You can follow me on LinkedIn, the Coach Wilson, or you can get me on Google Plus, the Coach Wilson. Got it, the Coach Wilson. TheCoachWilson, the Coach Wilson. But here's my thing. Where are you going? Think about that. Where are you going? See, when you know where you're going, it allows things to be a lot easier for you. You understand things a lot better when you know where you're going. This summer, I took a trip. To Ohio, and I drove there from Texas. Now, in driving there, I knew exactly where I was going. But what I did not know is what I was going to experience en route to getting there. See, I drove, and I took my time. I took 2 days to drive there. It's about a 17, 18-hour trip. I took 2 days to drive there. But I did not know what I was going to experience. See, along the way, going there, it started to rain. And I mean, it absolutely rained for 2 days straight. The whole time I was on the highway, it rained. Not only that, but there was road construction along the route, which means I went over a lot of bumps. I'm driving a big truck, had to slip through a lot of tight places because of the road constructions, and I even ran into a couple of detours along the way to getting there. But see, none of this even fazed me, not one bit, not one iota, because I knew exactly where I was going. And I tell you what, when I pulled into Cincinnati at my cousin's house, I was so happy. It was all worth it. Driving through 2 days of straight rain, 8.5 hours on the road each day, nothing but rain, detours, and road construction. And so that's what happens to all of us a lot of times in life. You have that goal, you have that dream, you have that desire, but you got to think about it. You know, you really got to focus on where you're going, and you got to understand that you're going to have to go through some rain. You're going to have to go through some detours. You might even have some setbacks. You might have some bumpy places, some tight places. But I tell you what, it's not about the rain or the bumps or the tight places or the detours. It's about where you're going. You know, it's about where you're going, and is it worth it? And if it's worth it, then I tell you, don't be upset, don't be bothered by what you got to go through to get there. Because here's the great thing, it's temporary. It's going to end. See, the rain stopped when I got to Ohio. It stopped when I got to my cousin's house. When I woke up the next day, the rain had stopped, and I was able to enjoy my family. So that's my message to you. I'm the Coach Wilson. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google Plus, LinkedIn. This is the Coach Wilson. I'll talk with you later. Bye for now. Peace.